with that shit.
Huh?
Can't keep up with that shit.
I didn't go off. Wheelie over that shit.
Fuck, crap.
Make sure you get the truck in that fucking video.
I do, right there. Yeah?
Fuck, I'm moving out here, bro.
Y'all hit you or what?